Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and welcome back to the channel. Today we have some massive update from two of our absolute favorite C-drama stars, Dylan Wang and Shen Yu. First up, Dylan Wang has officially wrapped filming for his highly anticipated costume drama, Empress Reborn. And let's just say, the wrap party was an absolute party. Meanwhile, Shen Yu is breaking the internet with a sleek, ultra-stylish new look as a jury member at the first International Film Festival. Stick around as we break down all the details, the behind-the-scenes moments, and what fans are saying about these exciting projects. Dylan Wang wraps Empress Reborn. Let's start with Dylan Wang. Filming for Empress Reborn has officially come to an end, and the cast and crew celebrated with a huge wrap celebration. Dylan was seen looking absolutely regal in his red and black embroidered costume with high ponytail styling. As always, his energy was infectious. He took the microphone to express his deep gratitude to the crew and fans, asking everyone to look forward to the series. Dylan Wang's message to fans. Please rest assured, okay? We put a ton of serious effort into creating this project. When the time comes, let's all look forward to watching the real deal together. Look at how adorable these two are. Alongside his co-star Meng Ziyi, they shared sweet moments with massive celebration bouquet and custom cakes. The chemistry is already off the charts, and fans are eager to see their dynamic on screen when the drama airs. Shen Yu's bold style and firm first film festival. Now let's switch gears to Shen Yu, who has been making major waves in the fashion and film world. Shen Yu recently took on an impressive role as a jury member for the short film competition at the first International Film Festival. She stepped onto the stage looking effortlessly sophisticated in a clean, tailored white blazer paired with dark shorts and elegant heels. Speaking at the event, she shared how honored she felt to support fresh storytelling and independent creators. Fans are praising her for expanding her repertoire in the industry and taking on such an insightful, influential role. And can we talk about this photo shoot? The bold makeup, deep color, and sharp silhouette prove she can seamlessly transition from the sweet girl next door vibe to high fashion perfection. Fan reactions and what's next. Social media has been buzzing ever since these updates drop. For Dylan, fans are celebrating the wrap of Empress Reborn and counting down the days until the official trailers hit. For Shenyu, viewers are loving her mature, polished style and cheering on her growth in the film industry. It is incredible to watch both of these talented actors thrive in their respective careers. Which of these updates are you most excited about? Are you waiting patiently for Empress Reborn? Or are you obsessing over Shenyu's high fashion look? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest C-drama news and celebrity updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!